Say, my God. Who make Dranko find me on crosses?
Yeah, man, go suck yourself, dirty Dranko. You'll never find another bitch for pop or pussy like me. No other bitch I gonna make you fuck them like coconut tree. Me I wanna fuck kind Prince, you gonna miss me. Go on, mama, man, go on. Prince. Prince, come back. Prince. Prince.
So I'm a very hard worker. I work very hard.
Rapture is the reaping.
No, but you said 9 o'clock you have to open the heart.
Rapture is raptus, which is rape, torture. That is what the rapture is. I come with salvation. I do not come to rape my people of their freedom, of their breath. You have to pay in this nation to walk your footprint, carbon footprints. If you march in this nation, you must pay. If you breathe in this nation, you must pay. Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am. All you people of the world, I came to you in this form. I am Son of the Soil, born in Glengorf, Victoria, the year of jubilee and victory. But what happened? Oh, hospital, mat. They made my life a mat. I suffered, I bled. Look at this night when I came to call all of my sheep, the stray sheep from the 12 tribes and nation. The thunder comes, the cloud comes, and the rain comes. But you did not believe my report. I am the fountain of life. I am the Catherine Peak. I come from St. Catherine. That's why you gave me water from where I come from. St. Catherine, Jamaica is where I was born. I have fulfilled all things. At the age of 9 years old, the angel of the Lord came and spoke to this body and asked me if I will give the eternal yes. I have given the eternal yes. I came as Jonah the Warner. But they mocked me and they scoffed me. They surrounded me and they looked at me and said, who is this man? Because man, God was tabernacled in man's seed of men. I carried the government of
Yo, me say if you ever blood clot conflicts turn over, man, me say big son a fling from morning to blood clot night.
Girl, I love it when we do it, turn you on, shawty. Tell me if I'm on, I can see.
And we're back.
Alright, so man.
On FFR, Friday Fucker Radio. Let's go!
40 revenues, 40 love from Ebony, 40 bounty, 40 love from Benny, 40 belly, so you know she belly, 40 get, that's a good thing, 40 don't kill me, kill she.
Oh, Peanut Jet! Oh, you want a piece of everything?
Yeah.
Alright, come here.
You go, six yaba mani abagato. Six yaba mani abagato.
Now from the top, make it drop, that's somewhere. Now get a bucket and a mop, that's somewhere. I'm talking wop, that's somewhere. Macaroni in a pot, that's somewhere.
And I dreamed of you ever since. Girl, I build up my
Charlie swing. DJ Ape cock up in the beer boom rhythm.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring, night and fuck it fight for dumpling. Booyaka, booyaka.
Sunshine on me. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine.
Dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. Dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. This is my song. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Nice. But I'm nearly dead 2 times. I'm not feeling no way about it.
Bass play higher. Boom. Aye.
She like it.
Seems to all know the money don't reach. Abba, what is wrong with you? What evil it is that someone that says I love the poor is now telling us that those who are hesitant, I am coming to make sure that this hesitance is removed, and I must strongly convince you that you must come on board this, come on board your mom. Let me tell you something, your mama climb on your papa climb on your mama, but you not climb on me. If husband and wife are going together to get some ramp in the ramping shop, if they don't say yes and no, but there's an indication where she said come, you know, the movements means they have to agree. So how you plan to come on top of people, how we not agree? Rape it call. I said it's rape it call. When anybody force you to do anything, a rape it call. And if them offer your money and you say me not want your money and then try to force you, it's rape it call. Wake up, Jamaica!
First time shoppers be like.
Go to the bank and get the 5,000.
Go to the bank and get the 5,000 for what?
To send to me.
Why am I going to send you $5,000?
Because you want the 3.5 million, so you have to give me 5,000.
I have to give you $5,000 in order to win 3.2 million?
Yes, you're lucky I never charge you 10,000.
Let certain things that frighten we. Let that to some little frightened bum buckler, yeah. When I know nothing, I run up and down and lick it below clot lick it. I want to tell you, brother, we done did that and been there and done that. How are they?
Everybody talking about they can't find a good somebody. Here's me. I'm on the shelf.
Body good. Body good. The blood clot, yo. What's your name? Body good.
بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقول اعطيني بوسة يلحقها.
Girl them with a big forehead girl them buzzy forehead for blood clot big.